quick update on LPG installation that I did and a video which I'll put the link in, of course. The LPG bottle I installed was great with the valve. I had in fact it went through its habitation. I was a bit worried because I did it myself, and it passed, and they said not a problem because it is a conversion kit. So I used GasBank, and it was again, it's all in the video, so I won't go over that again. The bottom line was, how did it work, or is the problem I had. It was great when I filled it up here. When I went to Scotland and in the Highlands, some of the old-fashioned pump stations were not man enough to push the gas into the LPG, and it would cut off. So we had a bit of fun, keep having to reset and trying to get gas. We found a few stations up in the Highlands that we could fill up, so that was okay. And I took the view that if I was in Europe, they'd be a little bit more modern and we wouldn't have a problem. So LPG is fine. The flow gas bottles, which I couldn't refill in Scotland, I knew about. I then discovered that Calagas, which is all over Scotland, actually does fit the adapter I've got, because I've got this dual system now of LPG tank, gas bottle tank. So I'm going to swap my flow gas. It's going to cost me again because I've got to send the flow gas back when I've run them out and buy Calagas bottles. I did buy one when I was in Scotland, a small one. It was £80, so I don't know how much it's going to cost me for another. I'll get another 11 or 13, I think, with Calagas. And it's orange. It's got that big fitting, not like you get with the barbecue. I don't know much about it, but anyway, that's where we are. We're going to stick with the dual system, and I'm not going to buy another 400 quid GasBank, although it's fine. So I've got LPG and I've got a bottled gas, and it seems to work. If you have any comments, let us know.